3.
Thousand elders can have the dream, yet a young one can change the world. That was a word from Soekarno, the first president in Republic of Indonesia. Have you ever wondered why did Soekarno think that a young man can change the world? Or have you ever wondered what's so important about a young generation? Maybe you will find out the answer when you get to know about Scout. Or maybe you don't, because it depends on the understanding of the scouting itself. Before I move on, let me introduce myself. My complete name is Adel Malan, and I'm from Junior High School for Kediri. I will deliver a speech with the theme of nationalism and the title of Scout as reflection for next generation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, ladies and gentlemen, the honorable judges, and also all participants. Scout itself comes from the word Praja Muda Karana, which means a balance of young kids who loves to be progressive. Means that we as the young people, the next generation, and also Scout member itself must be able to work by feeling of the positive things in our life. The Scout function is essentially an activity of interest to a group of young children. Exciting activity here is not wandering activity and have fun, but exciting activity here is an activity that contains element of education, like to work for a wise man, that the best teacher is the experience itself. So, by the means, we need scouting to prepare themselves before moving on to the next steps. For the adult, Scout activities are certainly not the activities which is only filled with fun and interesting activity, but Scout itself is an activity that requires sincerity, willingness, and devotion. Therefore, entire Scout function is an activity as that is intended as a means for helping organization and community. So, Scout activities during the exercise given by the board of coach is only a tool. It doesn't represent the purpose of its education. The purpose of the activity of the Scout actually is very precious. It is intended to educate today's young generation to have positive things with basic and method of the Scout activity in accordance with the norm of community. Hopefully, after have the positive things and activity as a member of Scouts, they can have a good morals, attitude, and manner. It also will make human being who has the soul of Pancasila, loyal and obedient to the unitary state of Republic of Indonesia. So that we are as the next generation of the nation will be beneficial to our country's development. So, by the end of the day, Scout itself is proven for this nation, for making the best generation as they progressively grow up. If you want this country to be better, you must make the next generation to be the best. If you want the next generation to be the best, you need to prepare them. If you want to prepare them, we need to train them to festival and love their country. And as a student, as a young Croatian, as a people, as a citizen, and also as a scout, believe that we need scout for the better Croatia. One scout, one country. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.